When you look at a certain result or item, you will find these same details. On the upper right corner is the pin icon. This allows you to save the item to a list. Send to allows you to save to RefWorks, create a citation, email the citation, find the permalink, print the citation, etc. The option to sign in to see more options available to you. Details gives you more information about the item you selected. If the material type is a book, DVD, CD, or any other physical item, then you will also see the item details, request options, where the item is located in the library, if it is available for checkout, and the checkout length. If the material type is an ebook, then you will see the ebook details and access options. If the material type is an article, then you will also see the article details and access options.